We'll start with the Mustard R75 size 10 streamer hook. This is the rubber leg hare's ear. Grey tying thread. We'll just go a wee ways back, like so. Little bunch of wood duck fibres for the tail. Tie those in. Let's check the length. That'll do us good. To there. And we go up here to about there. And we need a length of flat copper wire. And just go back to the tail base to there. We need some hare's ear dubbing. And then we can just go up, catch it in, and we can tighten it up. And we want this body tight but still buggy, and we want a slight taper on it as it gets up to the thorax. A little bit more there. Just take your time with this. It's much better to get the proportions and the shape right than trying to do it as quick as possible. That's perfect. That's good. We take our flat wire and we wind the rib. All the way up, and then we'll finish off here with a few turns under the thorax, and we can tie that off. Take my wire scissors and trim that off. We need a bunch of olive antron. Let's correct my thread. And take this up right into the abdomen. We can just lift that, trim it off. Then a little bit more hare's ear. You just put a turn of dubbing in front of the antron before we put in the first rubber legs. Let's make sure that's right. Yes, that's good. Take a pair of rubber legs. Correct my thread again. One back. As I do as that, a little bit more dubbing. We want the thorax quite large where it meets the wing case. And we go in front of the legs. A little bit more dubbing. This will hold the legs back. Good. And continue with the next two pairs of legs all the way forward. like so. And we go forward, take our wing case, Armstrong wing case, pull the legs out of the way, just correct my thread, and then we go over here. Oops, best to do it this way, and go over there, once with that. And we can remove our Armstrong, once you don't cut the legs off. Start at the hook on it and just go back over there and give it a whip finish. Oops. And another. Remove that. Brush out the fibres in the thorax, make it a buggy, and that's the finished rubber leg hares ear. You can trim the legs down if you wish, but I like them long like that. It's a great little pattern, and if you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.